नमस्कार जी, शस्त्रकाल। आप सबको मेरी तरफ से लॉकडाउन 4 कंप्लीट रूप से ख़त्म होने की शुभकामनाएं, ताकि हम सब लोग पहले के जैसा बाहर निकल के अपने अपने कामों को जा सकें, परफॉर्म कर सकें, धनार्जन कर सकें और जीविकोपार्जन कर सकें। हमने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट joining induction program and how to make the people working at home and internal employees relationship. Means to become a strong chain, strong kadi of the chain. Rather, don't come and dictate that this kadi will be like this, like that, like that. Don't become observer as an employee. Don't become dictator. You first come, understand your work, culture going on, work style already predefined in the organization, and based upon that the things are happening. In this video we would like to focus on the personnel policy. I, with my personal experience, with your permission, would like to differ and would like to highlight a very small word, very small word, especially for the HR people. Let me say that around 45 to 55% of newcomer, they pronunciate it as personal policy. What is that? Personal policy. I am sorry, but I am your big brother, age wise, experience wise. My duty is to highlight the basic problem. I am also having problem, but don't point finger to your father. Don't point finger to your parent. That though you may be doing good work, but it is work listed in the bad list. I will request all of you to correct the person wherever it is really required. It is a very basic, fundamental mistake person called personal policy. Means PERSONAL policy. No. The right name of this document is personnel policy. PERSONNEL policies. Again, PERSONNEL policies. It is personnel policy. It is very holistic book available in the organization. This book must be available, duly certified, duly approved by the management. This book is the mirror of the organization wherever organization want to move or wants to do something, it should be in accordance to the policy guidelines decided. In the personnel policies, process owner is head of HR department. My dear friends, listen carefully. Departmental policies, departmentogram. सेल पॉलिसी, सेलोग्राम. डिपार्टमेंट अगर बड़ा है उसके नीचे जो और खाते होते हैं जिसको बोला जाता है तो सेलोग्राम. एंड एज ए होल पर्सोनल पॉलिसी, इट शुड बी डिफाइंड बाय द प्रोसेस ओनर, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, वेयर इन एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडिंग when organization opens, when close, which are the weekly off, which are the holidays, what are the system of stationery giving and taking, what is the system related to the workstation, what is the lunch hour, what are the employee movements, what are the transport related policy, what is the conveyance related policy, what is the role related to the outdoor, indoor duties, how you can visit government having approval of which kind of the officer in the organization, MD, CEO, BP, departmental head, based upon the organogram developed in the organization. Don't overtake personal policy. Personal policies is not pre-defined. The index of personal policy to be decided by the based upon the experience of the HR head, and then in accordance to the index you develop the each chapter and seek the approval of managing director. No other person can approve this document until or unless he has been authorized to do so, but HR department should hold such kind of authorized letter in the hand. Any activities, any organizational activities, if you want to practice, you need to spell out in the document called personal policy, and the deferred point, submit it to labor commissioner office and seek their approval to implement this policy. For example, you want to work in extended hours, that is the overtime also. So for that you need not to go 4 hours, after 8 hours you can work, and then whatever, then you are the covered under the overtime. But no, more than that, or you want to make it permanent basis into permanent habit, then you have to jot it down in the personal policy. You have to seek the approval of labor commissioner, and thereafter you can do it. Any point because of the manufacturing region, service region, management philosophy region, if it is not or it is over and above to the law prescribed or prescribed in the book of the law, then all those policy also should be mentioned in the personnel policy. And again, needless to say that it should be approved under seal and signature of Commissioner of Labor, and thereafter it should be put into practice. Otherwise, always whenever visit will take place, there will be deferment and you cannot comply those things, and those problem, those non-confirmatory report will be live always, and you will be under trouble. So personal policy is important document, authorized document, duly signed by managing director, and if with the variation of with the law, then by commissioner of the labor, and it should be signed and sealed. This is what I want to communicate to the newcomers. Don't take any copy put which is not signed in the signed by MD or by labor commissioner, and you are implementing in organization, you will be in trouble. Even in organization, one day MD will ask you, where is my signature, and that time you will realize the importance of this sentence which Dr. Srivastava is trying to narrate in this subject called personnel policy. So it is the Bible available in the organization, works like mirror in the organization. Thank you very much. I am sure that you have taken the good lunch, and now you, after that, you have before tea, you have taken the tea, you have taken the videos of personal related to personal policies. I will request to please give little bit rest to your body, and you move to tea break, and thank you very much. Namaskar.